decent reviews.
Did it? Nice. Hey guys, we're back. Walking Dead time. I'm just gonna get some more links out to everyone, make sure they can see it. Yeah, let's hope for a nice sketch card or something. That'd be sweet. Or a Rick or Daryl auto. Maggie auto. That's one I haven't seen yet. Oops. Okay, guys, so we mostly everyone in here. Welcome to the Walking Dead break, Season 3, Part 1, Prison Crew. Oh, nice. I love your guys' pictures of Maggie on the thread there. So sweet. Okay, then we'll start this up, guys. People who don't see it live will get to see it on YouTube if they so desire. Oh, Roger, yeah, you missed the football one, man. Do them at 7. We did it at 7. The video will be up soon on the tube. Yeah, we did the football one starting at 7 and just got done. Yeah, it'll be up on YouTube pretty soon. I'll send you the link. Sorry about that, Roger. You got your Patriots, though. That's all that matters. Okay, we'll get to opening this. 24 packs on this. 5 cards a pack. There's an auto and a relic. Guaranteed in the box. If I can find my cutting implement here. There. All kinds of autos, sketches, relics. Like to pull a nice sketch, would be pretty sweet. 1 of 1. It's 1 per case, but we'll get right to it, boys. Good luck, everyone. I'll start it off. Let me just slide over here. Okay. Lots of packs to get through here. There's our dead packs for autograph, wardrobe, and sketch cards. Yes, give us all those. Okay, here we go, guys. Starting off. Good luck, everyone. If you guys forgot who your characters were, shout it out, and I got the list right here next to me. Get some fuzz on me here. There's a lot of base here, so. Yeah, got some Carl here. Tucked away. Glenn and Maggie. Glenn and Maggie again. Maggie with a little ass kicker. And then some coral. Next pack. If the card has like 2 characters on it, I'll try to split it up evenly between those 2 characters if there's multiples. I got T-Dog getting chomped on the back here. Glenn and Maggie. Daryl. Something stuck together here. Daryl again. Yeah, the group. Looks like Daryl and Rick in that one. Go to the side over here. These are all kind of clumped together here. Yeah, looks like Carl Michonne on these. Daryl, Rick. Carl. T-Dog. Michonne and Carl. Next pack. Looks like we got either a relic or an insert chase. It's our shadow box chase card here. It's Lori and Carl. Lori in mid-birth / death here. Giving birth / dying. Grimes family portraits. Not focused here, let's see. GF number 6. Grimes family portrait 6. Shadow box. Okay, next pack. Looks like we got another shadow box right off the bat here. That one's straight up a Rick. Easy to decipher who that goes to. Rick's portrait there. Tangled Heart. GF number 3. Yeah, you got that last one too. I think I may have tossed in an extra shadow box for you there last time, Jake. I have a bunch of them. Let's see our next pack got. Looks like we might have something here. Maybe not though. Carl. Oop. These are stuck together. Looks like we got a foil card. That's why I was stuck. Piece of the set exploding. That'll go to Walker's production. It's a foil card. Get that foiling in it there. Stuff blowing up. And T-Dog getting chomped on. We're showing Carl. Just sleeve this foil. Cool. Next pack. Oh, same 2 as last break, yeah. Maggie going nutso. Nice. Michonne. Coral. The group here fighting. Daryl and Rick. Next pack. I got some of the group in here. Clearing that house. Maggie. Yeah, it's Maggie. Michonne. There's Rick. And then there's the group. And the prison. Yeah, next pack. Yeah, now we're back in focus. Carl, Glenn, Maggie, Coral. There's that same group again. And there's Daryl and Rick again. Next pack. Usually you get about a full base set in the box. So, with a couple of dupes. There's Rick, tying up Morgan. Maggie. Herschel, Beth, Carol, and Lori. Michonne. Daryl and Rick. Next. Here's Maggie Glenn. Maggie Rick. He's a little stuck. Herschel in that same group as before. Michonne. Daryl and Rick again. Same pose. Next. So I have another chase card now. I saw a thick one in there. There's a crew doing some stuff in the prison. Lori, point your gun right at you. Jailbreak in. Spoils. And Beth singing songs around the campfire. Next pack. Yeah. Daryl leading the group there. Michonne. Oh, there's two cards stuck together there. Dude getting chomped on that was making a ruckus in the cabin. A little ass kicker inside Lori. And Rick and the governor confronting each other. There's that same scene as before, but not foiled this time. Carl, Rick, dude getting chomped. Pregnant Lori, basically the same pack we just got, except for one different card. There's Rick, Michonne, Rick and Carl. Maggie Glenn. Okay, looks like we're down to 9 packs, including the one in my hand. We haven't hit the relic or the auto yet. Oh, right as I say we haven't hit anything, looks like we hit our relic. Let's see who it is. This is in focus. Oh wait, looks like just a base card on top right now. Oh yeah, base is stuck on top of the relic. Authentic War Drum. Oh, we got a Glenn card here. Glenn relic. Who's that? Josh Cognac. Stephen Yuen has Glenn. Let's see if this focus so we can see it. Focus. It doesn't want to focus, but that's going to Josh. Or, yeah, Josh Kroniak. Nice Glenn hit. We got a Glenn auto last time. Can't remember what our relic was. Oh, it was the Carl, that's right. There, focus too. So Glenn going to Josh. Rick base card there. Okay. Keep it going. Maggie and Carl. Exploding Tower. We got a foil here of Rick holding back some walkers. Foil style. Coral's Choice. And the crew when they're in Morgan's camp there. And next pack. Rick, the zombie's like all weirdly out of focus through post-processing, it looks like. Rick and Michelle. Oh! Looks like I revealed that a little too quickly there. It's our auto here. Hopefully you guys didn't see it. T-Dog. Irony Singleton as T-Dog. So that's Scott Bro, Jason's buddy. Jason, Todd's buddy. Got that. T-Dog autograph. He was a good character. Lasted a while, but then got chomped, as you saw in many of those base cards. There's our auto. A5, that one. Scott Bro. Get this foil in a sleeve. Thank you. And there's Rick. Rick again. 6 more packs. Expecting all base, but I've hit 4 hits, I think. Is my max in one box, so there's always hope for more. Base Rick, or Daryl, excuse me. Glenn. Getting mashed on by whatever his name was, I forgot now. Merle, that's right. In Cold Blood. Crew Rick. Yeah, that's it for that pack. Next pack. I finally got a checklist card. Rick and Carl. Rick, a lot of Rick. And there's our checklist that goes to the Walker / production slot checklist card. Okay, last 4 packs here. If you guys are new, make sure you guys give me your mailing addresses. Send those through PM to me. I'll get these out to you quick. Let's see, Herschel cutting off his leg. Rick, Herschel, Rick and Carl, Rick Michonne Carl. 3 packs left. Daryl and Carol. Glenn. Daryl, Rick. Maggie, Glenn. And the whole posse there. 2 more packs. Come on, 1-1 sketch card. Not in this one. Rick. Herschel, Daryl, Rick, Herschel, Glenn, Maggie, Judith. Here's our last pack. Let's get some special mojo on this. Let's get a 1 of 1. Come on. Tired of these 2 hit boxes. Let's see 3 and 4 hitters. Carl Michonne, Daryl, Rick, another checklist, and then this same trio here, Herschel, Rick, Daryl. Let's grab all our hits, show those real quick. that was the last pack. We had this foil Rick. Here's our auto, T-Dog auto. Arnie Singleton as T-Dog. A5. We had our Glenn hit. Wardrobe relic number M9. And we got some more foils here. Got the tower blowing up foil. Some shadow boxes, portraits, Rick, and then Carl and Lori. That's probably more like a Lori one, I'd say, 'cause she's dying. Yep, that's all the cards in that Walking Dead, guys. Thanks to everyone who joined. And like I said, make sure you give me those mailing addresses so I can get these out lickety-split. That's it, guys. If you want me to do some more of these Walking Deads, just holler at me. These are some of my favorite cards here. Doesn't take too much for me to break them, but thanks a lot, guys, for joining. I'll see you around next time. Thanks, guys.